Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Realme Band 2 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Realme Band 2. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. On the box we can see some of the specifications and features that the watch has. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful compact watch and a really light and easy watch to use. Underneath we have the charging cable which we use to charge our watch, which uses magnetic charging. It packs a 204 mAh battery that is said to deliver up to 12 days worth of battery life. We also have the manual that shows us how to use it, so if you want you can give it a read before you try it. Now here is the watch, and as you can see it has the TPU black straps which are really great with adjustable length from 165 to 230 mm, and you can get it in different colors like. The Realme Band 2 comes with universal 18 mm interchangeable straps. This means that users can attach any strap of their choice to suit their style. It has a 259.8 mm length, 24.6 mm width, 12.1 mm thickness with a very durable glass, and it weighs at around 27.3 g including the strap. It features a 1.4-inch touchscreen with 167 by 320 pixel resolution and a peak brightness of 500 nits. Also, this watch has a waterproof level of 5 bars, so no more worries about sweat, rainwater or swimming. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you swipe up you have the notifications which we don't have at the moment. If you swipe right, we have options like brightness to change how bright you want your watch to be, the raise to wake option, do not disturb option and settings. If you swipe left you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like steps which monitors your steps, sleep to analyze our sleep, heart rate where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want. Then we have weather where you can program your city with GPS. You also can add or cut any widgets you want to see based on your preferences and settings. If you swipe up, it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside which right now are on a list view, like workout supports 90 sports modes as opposed to the 9 workout modes the first gen band came with. However, initially, the Band 2 will only track 14 activities, including yoga, outdoor/indoor walk, outdoor/indoor run, cricket, basketball, pool swimming, and football. Next, we have exercise data where it tracks all our exercises done, calories burnt, and distance traveled. Next up we've got heart rate monitoring to measure our heart rating and our recorded measurements, SpO2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood, and our previous and average records, steps which monitors your steps, calories burnt, distance traveled and time spent. Sleep monitoring which helps you establish a regular bedtime routine and keeps track of your sleep trends night after night. It also has apps like stress to test your blood pressure and stress levels. Then there's weather to see our current and upcoming weather and any information you want about the weather conditions. Then we've got notifications to see our recent notifications. Also breathe and event reminder in which we need the Realme app to put events. Next, we have the Realme link to connect to cellular devices. Music where we can play anything we want from our phone when we're connected. After that we've got alarm clock, which also needs to be set up in the app. Next up we've got timer, stopwatch, camera, flashlight, which has different levels of brightness and sequences, Find My Phone, which helps you look for your phone. Then on the bottom we've got settings, where we have options like always on settings, the brightness to leave whatever brightness we see fit, from 20 to 100%, the screen timeout option from 5 to 15 seconds, vibration setting where we can turn it on and off and also choose the level of the vibration as we please, the do not disturb option to turn it on or off, to schedule it or to put it on smart mode where it will begin when you go to sleep. Raise to wake to raise your wrist so your watch turns on. We also have power off, restart, reset and about, where it shows the info about our watch. If we press the side button it will return us to home screen, then to our watch face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it, it will show us all of the faces you can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it, and as you can see, we've got a large number of them to choose from. Now what we're going to do is put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. It will take a bit, then it will show us our heart rate. Next, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels, and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. Next, we're going to try the stress measurement, which also takes a little bit, and after it's done it calculates your stress and the level of danger. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it use, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.